Hi, it's Mr. Brown and Indy. We're out here in eastern Oregon, almost to the Nevada border on spring break, and we thought we'd stop and do a quick video. We came down initially because Indy had a field trial and she competed against a bunch of other dogs. She did pretty well. She came in 5th in her category, so that was fun. We went from here to the eastern side of the state and further south, did some hunting, visited some friends, and came upon this area called Fort Rock. And what you can see in the background is Fort Rock. Here's one side of it, and I'll pan around to the other side. And it was just fascinating to see this, so we stopped at the state park and thought we'd check it out. So Fort Rock is a structure that happened, basically a volcanic structure. This area was covered by a huge lake, 40 miles wide apparently, and 200 feet deep, and kind of coincided to the end of the Ice Age. And there was some volcanic activity, and the volcanic activity was similar to what you'd see when you boiled water. So there was some bubbling underneath this lake, and it threw up a bunch of lava, but also debris and other things, and it formed this crater. It kind of grew right out of the lake, and then it stopped. It wasn't really hard lava as you see in the pictures. It was kind of granular, kind of had some other structure to it, so it wasn't totally solid. And what happened was, over time, the prevailing waves and wind from the southwest opened it up so that you can see there's an opening in the front side of it. So it's kind of a crater that's kind of blown out on one side. So anyway, Fort Rock, State Park, Fort Rock. And this is Indy and Mr. Brown checking in. So for those of you who did some work, I'll be back and take a look at that. And been off the grid here, so I haven't been able to correspond with you. But I will be back in and see if I can get some stuff going for you, for those of you who've been working. Anyway, regards from Eastern Oregon with Indy and myself. And as always, you do the work, and I'll grade it. We'll see you online.